Welcome, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Movies Edge. But first be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. So now let's just install this second application. Just here tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on our device. So we should use this application because unfortunately we have not installed by default the always on display feature. That's why now let's open the app and click here to draw our apps. After that, we should find here Movies Edge application and use this swatcher. After that, just go back. Here switch Edge lights to the AOD and select one from these available tabs. Click here to apply. Now let's lock our device. We should press twice to the power key. And we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.